Uy.
You want to try some?
What
It's a
is
double flakes.
What is a double flakes?
Oh my gosh.
Ay, kamote.
No.
Whatever.
Oh, come back. Uy. Ooh.
It is like heaven in your mouth.
Yeah. It's like drinks, but food.
Who are you guys?
Oh my gosh, this is bueno anything.
God. My God.
I am Fernando.
Fernando.
That is what I said.
And I'm Makani.
What is Makani?
It's my name. Oh my God.
What kind of name it is?
I was born that way. Oh my God.
Isn't that Lady Gaga's new song?
Yeah, I love that tune.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Anyways, we work for the famous
Fresh
Filipino
foods,
market.
but for short called FFFM.
So you want to try some now?
Sure. Gross.
Oh my God, I think the spider is inside that. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, this is spider bag. Not again.
Not again, fifth time in the
Oh, no.
week. Oh my God. Yes.
Mom's gonna kill me.
So I sell you this bag for 5 pesos.
Yeah, because the spider is inside, so we sell it cheaper to you.
The normal price is 10 pesos. So we feel very bad for you. So here, 5
Yeah.
pesos. 5
The
pesos.
poison.
Wait,
Wait, come
wait.
back. One more thing. You need some meat on your bones, because you look
You're very
big.
skinny.
Yeah.
Very skinny. Take this fish.
Yeah. It feeds your whole family for days.
It may be a little small, but it should do for now.
Yeah, it's pretty good. So good for you.
Finally,
Nutritious.
finally you got an open.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
So Fernando, how much do you think we made today?
Oh my God. It did not
no.
pay. Follow time. That was a good beating,
Yeah,
huh?
it's good. Oh, what time is it? Oh my God.
Ocho time. Tayo ma. Ocho.
Ocho.
Oh, I know the
No,
ocho.
you don't.